Today's India, under the inspirational leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, is confidently marching ahead to fulfill the vision of a Vikasit Bharat with decisive structural and governance reforms, infrastructure development with whole-of-government approach to reduce the logistics cost and improve competitiveness of Indian economy, powered by boundless talent and intent of Yuva Shakti.
बीते सालों में 4 इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर शुरू हो चुके हैं और अब ऐसे कॉरिडोर्स की संख्या को 1 दर्जन तक बढ़ाया जा रहा है। अब देश की इंडस्ट्री को ऐसी सुविधाएं देने का प्रयास है जो प्लग एंड प्ले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से युक्त हो, यानी देश और दुनिया के निवेशकों को सिर्फ अपना सिस्टम लगाना है और काम शुरू करना है। ऐसी ही सुविधाओं के निर्माण से भारत दुनिया की बिजनेस कैपिटल बनने का सपना साकार कर सकता है।
A major step to give boost to the ongoing industrial growth is the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. This program aims at developing new industrial cities as smart cities, converging next-generation technologies. Under this program, 4 projects have already been commissioned. On similar lines, Tumkuru Industrial Township is being developed under Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor in Karnataka. This 8,500-acre project will be implemented in a phased manner, with 1,722-acre as the first phase with mixed-use development, industrial, residential, commercial and institutional uses. It aims to target sectors including food products, textile and apparel, electronics, auto and auto components, pharmaceutical, chemical, engineering and general industries. Located on NH48 at less than 100 kilometers from Bengaluru, Tumkuru Industrial Township operates on the tenets of PM Gati Shakti and will provide multimodal connectivity to the economic zone. As India strides towards its 100 years of independence with the collective spirit of over 130 crore Indians, it is committed to reaffirm the resolve of Make in India for the world.